This is Mama Miche, and today in my magic kitchen, deviled eggs. The deviled egg dates back to ancient Rome, but the devil adjective wasn't added until the 18th century when deviled was used to describe something that was spicy or fried. Today, most deviled eggs are mild in flavor, but can be kicked up a notch by adding some cayenne or hot mustard. I use Colman's dry mustard exclusively in my deviled eggs, and I don't add any pickle relish or any other nonsense. I've had deviled eggs that way and they've been okay, but I prefer mine to be relish-free and heavily seasoned with mustard and paprika. Sometimes I top it with crispy bacon. Sometimes I top it with a slice of avocado or some everything but the bagel seasoning. Sometimes I get crazy and load it with all the above. And of course, my standby, our twice stolen spice. Let Mama Miche make your kitchen magic.
So since we're gonna save those pretty eggs for company, I'll just try it like this. Yeah, these are some devilishly good deviled eggs. Let's eat.